Fabrication is complex, with many steps throughout the manufacturing process. Those who do it well know that many of these processes require different types of technology, creating disrupted workflows with inefficiencies and opportunities where errors can occur. With this cloud-based platform, Fusion integrates CAD, CAE, CAM, and electronics into a single solution that is simple to deploy and easy to learn for fabrication, allowing you to streamline workflows and increase collaboration. A comprehensive toolset allows you to create designs with fabrication in mind, along with the documentation and tooling needed in downstream processes. Final designs can include many components. Preparation tools allow you to quickly assign which components need to be nested. These can be flattened into their 2D shapes and sorted into individual nests based on the automatic detection of material type and thickness. Powerful nesting and layout optimization tools allow you to arrange parts in the most efficient way possible. Comparison tools allow you to explore different nest solutions to minimize waste and maximize material usage, resulting in cost savings and reduced environmental impact. Quickly create manufacturing setups, tabs, and toolpaths for various cutting methods such as CNC routing, laser, water jet, and plasma cutting. With seamless integration to your fabrication machinery, you can generate machine-ready files, eliminating the need for manual file conversions, ensuring a smooth transition from design to manufacturing. Increase your confidence when quoting new projects, and gain better understanding of your expenses by utilizing customized reports showing material usage, cutting time, and costs. Design changes are a common problem, potentially causing confusion and leading to wasted time and money. Fusion's associative CAD/CAM workflows mean any design updates are passed downstream to production with minimal effort and zero stress. Fusion is your ideal fabrication solution, offering significant benefits with its design and optimization tools, precise cutting capabilities, and seamless integration with fabrication machinery, allowing you to optimize material usage, increase throughput, and enhance precision in your manufacturing.